Hey there, Tom the English Picker here. Just thought I'd come on and do a quick video because I haven't done a video in about a week or so, just to update everybody about myself and what's going on. I'm okay. I've just had a filthy stinking cold for over a week. My lads probably brought it home from nursery. So yeah, I've just been laid up in bed. It's not, it's not the coup for anything. It was just a cold or, runny nose, the classic. So I was just been feeling sorry for myself for about a week and didn't really fancy making YouTube videos. So the things I have been doing, I have been clearing another storage unit. I didn't decide to film it this time because I have done two about that. So I just wanted to get it done because it does take a bit longer when you start filming stuff. But it's just a little one. Decided to empty that, and I've put all the stuff on pallets. So yeah, it's all boxed up, and then I can just get to it when I get chance, and slowly work my way through. Most of it is books and stuff that I got from Hoarder House like 5 years ago. So we'll get to it eventually. So that was good. So that's like 80, £90 a month saving, something like that. So that was good. Had my jab, so that's cool. That's the first one done. Felt a bit tired afterwards, but other than that, I was all right. Yeah, just really chugging along. eBay's just been a waste, tumbleweed. Something's been cracking off with eBay. I don't know what it is, but a lot of people I know have struggled on eBay. I've had a few sales more recently, but I have been fiddling about with it, trying to just tweak prices, go in, put some more item specifics. I'm fully over to manage payments now, so that's sad. I did like PayPal and that sort of thing, but hey ho, tis what it is. Just makes doing the accounts a bit more fiddly. So yeah, just been chugging along doing that. I've been doing some Amazon. Sent my first FBA box up in months. Long time. Not done one in a long time. So that got sent up, but they've added so many extra steps now onto the process. It is quite long-winded. So yeah, just selling through Merchant Fulfilled at the moment. So yeah, so that's it really. I'm going to be coming out with a video because obviously it's been the anniversary of the UK lockdown. It's been a year of staying at home and what things have changed with my business and that. So look forward to that coming soon. So yeah, that's about it really. So more videos will be coming soon. I'm excited for the charity shops to be opening up. The car boots, I won't be buying at them because I've got too much stuff as it is. But I will be going to sell stuff. So I will be going to sell some, like clothes that I bought that I'm never going to list. I'm going to be going down to the boot sales and selling some of that kind of stuff, some of my excess inventory, some stuff which it's got value, but I because of things like changing sort of my business model and, like the amount of item specifics in clothing, I just can't be bothered. So I'm going to be going down to the boot sales and selling there. I'm hopeful that it's going to be a bit of a seller's market really, because there's so many people gagging for stock at the moment. There's going to be a lot of buyers, but saying that, there's going to be the seasoned car booters who have missed out. Like the house clearance guys must be bursting at the seams with stuff. So it'd be interesting. So I'm going to be going down and selling at my locals, but knowing our luck in the UK, it'll probably be a washout for months. It'll probably rain every Sunday. So if you're going to the boot sales, good luck out there. I'm personally looking forward to charity shops. Again, not like I need stock, but I am going to be frequenting them because you never know with all people having a sort out, they'll be gagging to donate stuff. So you never know. It's always worth popping in and seeing. I'm sure the prices are going to go through the roof because I've heard murmurings from people who work at charity shops that, you know, they're going to try and claw back some of the money that they missed out on with being shut down. So, I mean, personally, if they've been drowned in stock, you would think they'd put a deal on, but I suspect that they're going to up the prices. Just the higher-ups trying to make the money back. So, yeah, who knows? Anyway, just thought I'd touch base with everyone. I'm okay, I'm all right now. I was just out of action for a week or so with a filthy cold, really. So, yeah, get back to it. Got to do my post for the day. Hope you're all good. And if you like this video, smash the like button. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.